Are you looking to archive your old Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to archive your Reels on the platform. This way, you can keep all your old content in one place without taking up space on your profile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to archive your Reels on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram application, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, I have a Reel on my profile, and I will show you how to archive this Reel. So let's go over to the Reels tab by tapping the Reels icon over here. And it will show you all of your Reels on Instagram. What you want to do next is select the Reel that you want to archive, and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner. And a menu will appear. So from this menu, tap on Manage, and then simply tap Archive. Tap Archive once more. And now you have successfully archived a Reel on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.